Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emilee and as you can see by my face I have my eye makeup on but I don't have any face makeup on because today I'm going to be testing out this product. This is a foundation lightener. Now I have colours of foundation for when I'm really tanned and when I'm pale, and I don't like to buy two of the same formula foundation in different colours. I'd rather mix things together, and especially this foundation which I have, this is quite expensive. This is the YSL Teint Touche Eclat, which is a very expensive foundation in my books. I don't want to go out and buy another shade of this because, as you can see, this is way too dark for me and I've not been able to use it for a while without mixing it with things, but I don't have, until now I've not had a light enough foundation to mix it with. So I'm going to be testing out these. I got these in Primark actually and they were only £4. So yeah, basically you're supposed to add these to any foundation and you'll be able to customise your own colour. They have darkening drops too. I didn't pick those up but I will go and check those out if these are any good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already seen my face before, make sure you click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and yeah, let's just get on with the video. So I don't know if you'll be able to tell already, but I do have some under eye concealer on already. I don't know if you'll be able to tell because my under eyes are so terrible that you genuinely might not even be able to tell, but I already have my eye makeup on. Hopefully you can see that. But as you can see, my neck is a bit darker than my face at the moment, just as usual. My neck always seems to be a bit dark because I wash my face more, I scrub it more, and I wear SPF on my face so it doesn't get as much sun damage. So I'm going to swatch on my jaw this white foundation on its own, my normal foundation on its own, and then I'm going to mix together the shades to kind of make my perfect shade. Well, I'm going to try, and then stick that in the middle. So the white foundation is a little dropper bottle, so I'm just going to put a tiny bit of this on my cheek. As you can see, this is a lot paler than my skin. And then I'm going to get some of this foundation. This is in the shade B50, by the way, which I don't know if you can tell by my face, I'm not B50. So that is the foundation. I genuinely don't know if you'll be able to see. I'll do a close-up in a minute. And then I'm going to mix these together on the back of my hand to try. Okay. I forgot I'd already opened the bottle and just went to shake it. Oops, foundation everywhere. I'm gonna mix this in. Wow, that's actually really working. Excuse all the white on my hands, but that's really worked. I think that's a good shade. I'm just gonna... I'm going to go and wipe this off my hands, try and scrape it back into the bottle. So I fixed my minor screw up. Obviously I've left the shade that I just mixed, but I'm going to zoom you in. So as you can see, I've lined all of the colours up on my jaw to match it to my neck. You can see the white colour here, the dark colour here is a lot darker than my actual skin tone. You couldn't see from far away, but you can see close up. And then the mixed colour in between, which is my kind of custom colour. And I'm just going to go in with this custom colour and put it onto my face and see if it has affected the coverage or the finish of the foundation at all. I'm just going to put some of this on my face. This is a really good colour match actually. I'm quite impressed with myself. Although I'm very not impressed with myself at how I just exploded that bottle. I've literally just wasted so much. But they are only £4, so I'm not too mad at myself. This would be great if you fake tanned, or if you went on holiday, or if you just have a lot of different shades of foundation needed, but you don't want to keep buying the foundation in different colours. Or, like me, if you have a foundation that you love and it just doesn't match. I also find that these would actually be great if you have a more yellow based undertone to your skin, because a lot of drugstore foundations have their lighter shades in pink tones. So if you need to buy a more yellow toned foundation, it's obviously a lot more difficult at the drugstore because a lot of them are pink toned. So if you buy a darker shade of foundation that's yellow toned and then mix these in, this is still nice and yellow toned. It's not changed like the undertone of the foundation, it's literally just made it a few shades lighter. And this matches my neck perfectly. I don't know if you'll see on camera. I'm very impressed with that. And I'm going to actually use some of the actual foundation as a liquid bronzer because I can. Like, look how much darker that is. So I'm just going to finish off my face makeup and then I'll be back to conclude my final thought. So this is the completed look on my face. As you can see, the foundation matches me perfectly, and as you saw at the start, it definitely did not. So these are definitely worth it. They work, and they're only £4, which is an absolute bargain. I will definitely be going to get the darkening ones to try those out as well. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I would really, really appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!